everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on with 2 more Christmas DIY ideas to share with you. So we have this canvas board here, and I'll also be using some of this Christmas ribbon here that I got from the Dollar Tree to help decorate our canvas board. And I'll be using some hot glue to glue down the ribbon. Alright everyone, today's video is sponsored by a company called antmall.ru. They sent me over a bag to review with you guys, so I will be doing that later on in the video. So let's get into doing our canvas. Now that that's all done, I'll be coming in with some of these little rocks here. And we're just going to fill them in everywhere on this open space. And again, I'll be using some hot glue to glue them to our canvas. Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you a little update. A few months ago, I think I did it on a live explaining to everyone that I'll be doing some more tests to go along with my lung transplant. So it's been 3 months now of doing so much tests. And I did my last one on Thursday. As you can see, I have a band-aid on my wrist because I had a little bit of day surgery. And so I have the band-aid on my wrist, still healing my wrist. Because I had to go through my wrist to get to my heart and also through my thigh also. So it was like a day surgery. So your girl is here healing, which I'm feeling a little better now. So I will do another live soon and give you guys an update all on that, because it's going to take too much time for me to explain everything on here with you guys today. Alright, let's get back into doing our DIY. Okay, I got some Christmas gems from Totally Dazzled. They have some nice Christmas brooches, and I'm going to share them with you right now. Just show you what I got. And here are some of them. A nice Christmas collection with Christmas trees, reindeer, gift boxes, and they come in gold and silver and other colors too. Like the rose gold and the rustic. They have a rustic color. Antique color, that's the name. An antique bronze they have also. So these are just some new gems they have for the Christmas. I think they are so nice. I will leave a link below so you guys can go down and check them out and see everything that they have for their Christmas collection. And now that that's all done, we are going to use some of this ribbon here, and I will be cutting it into strips and attempting to make a bow. My version of a bow, which I think it will turn out very nice. And now we're going to add our bow to our canvas. Just glue it down with some hot glue. And now I'll be using one of these snowflakes gems from the Totally Dazzled Christmas collection. And just glue it down to the center of our bow. And now I have these ones here, which is some little houses and some candy canes. And I'll just be using the hot glue and gluing them to the top of our canvas. And here is the finished look. I like how it turned out. It looks nice and cute. A nice piece of decor for the Christmas season of 2022. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our DIY number 1. Alright everyone, I'm going to tell you more about the bag that I received from antmall.ru. Okay, here is the bag well, the case that the bag came in that Aunt Mall.ru sent me. I've had this bag for a minute now, but because your girl was so busy with all the tests and getting sick and getting COVID and one thing after the other, I didn't get a chance to review it. So I recorded it, but I didn't get to put it out. So I'm gonna do that now. So last is the dust bag it came in, and here is the bag right here. It's a Gucci bag. It's called a Gucci, I think it's a Satchel bag. I'll put the name down here, but I love that it comes with this little thing here at the side. I love it. And it feels nice and soft to the touch, and it has the Gucci logo. And the hardware, like I said, is nice, and it's gold. And it comes with a long strap that you can adjust so it will fit across your body or just on your shoulder. So let's open it up. Oh, let me take out the stuff that are inside, which is a lot of stuff, a lot of paper. Okay, in here now they have some more little items for you, I guess, telling you about the bag. And this is how the bag looks on the inside. So you have a little pouch here, and on this side you have another little pouch, and then lots of space in the middle. And like I said, it's soft. The leather is so soft to the touch. And again, I love this little tassel here. Oh my gosh, I love it. So here's up close. Look at the bag. It's nice, and it's a nice size. You can fit your little everyday needs that you need to bring with you around in it. So I will leave a link to auntmall.ru, and there's also a coupon code for you guys to save a bit of change on your order. So you can go on over and check them out and get a bag for yourself, or even as a lovely Christmas gift for that special someone in your life. All right, everyone, let's get back into our second DIY. All right, for DIY number 2, we have a bigger canvas board, which I believe is 11 by 14. And then we have some more of our silver ribbon, but this one's a little bigger than the other one. And we are just going to do the same thing like we did before. Wrap it around our canvas using some hot glue. Okay, so now that that's all done, we're going to come back in with our rocks again, our gems. And this time I'm going to attempt to make a Christmas tree. Yeah, wish me luck. Wish me luck, but your girl's going to try. So I'm just going to lay them out, and then now I'm going to be using the hot glue and gluing them down. Now right here, my Christmas tree is a little lopsided, so I am going to go back in and fill in that side in just a minute. OMG! Okay, here we go. I did go in and fill back in the other side, so now it looks like a Christmas tree. So now I'm going to add some of this glam chain that I got here from VV Craft. And I'll be using some of our Gorilla Glue to glue it to our canvas. And next I'll be adding this, I think they call it a poinsettia. I'm not sure what they call this flower, but I'm adding one to our canvas here. And now I have some more of our Christmas gems from Totally Dazzle. And I'll be gluing them onto our canvas. A star on our tree. Doesn't that look nice? And now I'm going to put down some Christmas gift box. And now I'm placing 2 reindeers at the top of our canvas. And here's our finished look for our second wall decor DIY number 2. I like how it turned out. I think I did a good job at my Christmas tree. Although it's to one side a little bit more than the other. But hey, I think it still looks nice. Tell me what you think. I like how it turned out. And I think it makes a lovely, easy and quick Christmas decor for this Christmas season of 2022. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And I do hope you will give me a thumbs up for today's 2 DIYs. And I will be back with a live really soon to give you guys some update on my health situation and how I am doing. Alright everyone, remember as always to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.